Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is March 7, 2018. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures today, they are a bit lower. Right now, they're trading down 19 points to 27.05 per contract. You can see the futures really sold off hard last night on news that Gary Cohn is stepping down as Trump's economic advisor. Again, this has been talked about for quite some time, so we'll see how the market digests it, but it is now a reality. And again, we'll see if it's just an overreaction. The futures have been coming back. You can see a series of higher lows here. And again, futures, while they're still down, just down around 19 points at the moment. So again, that is the big news of the day. That's driving the market lower. We'll see how much the market can rebound upside. There's still a lot of chatter about steel tariffs, but nonetheless, this is a market that is filled with volatility. It's going to be this way throughout 2018, and it should make for great trading opportunities. All right, we did have the ADP job report out earlier. Looks like the number was higher than expected. We don't really care too much about it. We just want to see what the market gives us. Let's take a look at stocks in the news today, because that's where we're going to try to make our money. Dollar Tree is the first stock up. DLTR is the ticker symbol here. This is on the back of earnings. It closed at 104.36. Now trading at 92.68. It did go as low as $88 a share. So we'll see if this can come back down to these levels. If it does, we have gap levels ready to go this morning. So we will be looking to play Dollar Tree at some point. Now, in sympathy to Dollar Tree, we always want to take a look at Dollar General, ticker symbol DG. This is trading at $90 a share, closed at $93.44. Good sell-off there. So, again, we'll be watching this one as well. Both of these stocks will be in play this morning. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Again, another decent day yesterday, and we just keep continuing with a great 2018. Let's take a look at Autodesk. ADSK is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 133.70. I believe this is a new all-time high for the name, and it is. So again, nice pop there. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. If you take a look at the daily chart, though, you're going to notice a big gap fill up here. We are above that level, but nonetheless, that could come back into play. So again, be a little bit careful here. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own Autodesk, leave it alone at this time. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Abercrombie and Fitch, big retailer here, ANF. Ticker symbol. Right now, the stock is trading at $22.11, closed at $21.35. So good little uptick here for ANF. And again, we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I don't think there's any real reason to chase it here. There's a lot of resistance in this general area, so we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But all in all, the trend is up on the name, and we have to respect it. ANF right now holding up pretty well. Let's take a look here at H&R Block. HRB is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $25.77, trading at $27.70. So this is a good little pop for H&R Block. I happen to think you're into a lot of resistance. When you look at the daily chart, there should be a ton of resistance up here. So again, be careful if you own it. Trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this time. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. By some chance, we get up to around 32.50. H&R Block would be a short trade, but I don't know if it gets there. If it does, we would look to probably fade it in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at ROST, which is ROST Stores. Stock right now is trading at $76.50. It's closed at 76. It's trading at $76.50. Closed at $80.51. So this is a good haircut for ROST Stores. This is on the back of earnings. Again, looks like a lot of support around the $75 area. So we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. Again, if we break through there, then this thing can get vicious to the downside. But right now, I don't see that at the moment. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But ROST Stores will be on our radar for a day trade today. Let's take a look at Urban Outfitters. URBN is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $36.15. Closed at $36.98. Last night. So all in all, this is down tick just a touch. We're not going to make much out of that, but again, I do have some levels that could come into play today, so we'll keep it on the radar. Let's take a look at Weight Watchers, WTW. It looks like Oprah exercised some options. Stock right now is trading at 58.25, closed at $58.42. It was down around $55, and I did have levels ready for Weight Watchers, but It has rebounded back up, so we'll wait on those. I will post them up in the intraday stock chat room just in case we do see Weight Watchers come back down. But either way, Weight Watchers right now basically holding just below the flat line, but it was down much, much more around 8 o'clock this morning. Let's take a look at Netflix. That's on a downgrade. NFLX is the ticker symbol. This stock has been one of the hottest stocks in the market today. It gets downgraded. Right now it's trading at 320.28, closed at 325.22. So this is a little bit of a pullback. And again, it was getting a bit overbought. And we'll see how it plays out going forward. But Netflix still a very, very strong equity, but today it is pulling back from a slightly overbought condition. All right, we're going to switch gears here. We're going to go over to the gold market. Gold today trading down $2.90. Gold has been very strong the last couple of days on the back of a weaker dollar. Today, you do have gold down $2.90. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track the movement in gold, you're going to see that is trading at 126 and a quarter. Spot crude is down 20 cents today, trading at $62.40. If you take a look at the USO, you're going to see that is trading at 12.54. Again, the USO is a very, very good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. All right, there you have it. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're going to have a couple gap plays out here this morning. Again, we've had a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going. We should have very, very good volatility. The futures right now are down about 18 and a quarter points ahead of the opening bell. That means we get volatility, we get trade action. It's just that simple. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.